What's up guys, it's your boy Rex here and welcome back to the channel guys. So today guys, I'm going to show you guys another step-by-step method you can use and make a lot of money online guys. So I'm going to show you guys how you can use this card and use it with Clickbank and you can make a lot of money guys. So be sure to watch this video step by step till the end. If you take action on this method I'm going to show you guys today, you can make a lot of sales using this exact method guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch this video step by step, and if you take action on this method you're going to start getting results. So watch step by step, take action on the method, and the method works and you can make a lot of sales guys. So if you're new to the channel guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel guys to get notified time that I post new videos on how to make money online and Clickbank, any methods that can help you guys start making some extra money very fast online guys. So that's it guys, so let's get into the video. Let me show you guys how you can go and use this exact step-by-step method and start making some sales. So watch step by step, take action on the method guys. And you want to get my step-by-step training method I'm using to make up to $2,000 to $4,000 plus per week on Clickbank. Be sure to click the first link in the description. I can get my step-by-step training method. It's going to show everything step by step. I can get started and start making some sales very fast guys. And also if you want to get my course for completely free, you're going to do is you're going to comment on this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a like on the video as well, and you're going to get a chance to win my course for completely free. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick a random winner for the last video, and we're going to go to random YouTube commenter and we're going to pick a random winner guys. So we're going to pick a random winner that's going to get the course for completely free, and if you're the winner, all you're going to do is you're going to send me a message on Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram handle in the description, and you're going to send me a message. I'm going to give you the course for completely free guys. So that's guys, so let's get into the review guys. Let me show you guys how you can do this step by step and start getting some results. So that's it guys, so let's get into the video guys. So the first step, as always guys, we are going to go to the affiliate marketplace. I'm going to show you guys the exact method that you can go and use right today. So I'm going to go to the affiliate marketplace. We're going to choose one particular product. I'm going to show you guys how you can go and make a lot of money using this exact product guys. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go to Clickbank marketplace. You're going to type carts. So if you type cart, you're going to discover that there are a lot of cart products on Clickbank and it's making a lot of money, but many people are not promoting these products. I'm going to show you guys exactly step by step how you can go and promote this product right today and can make a lot of money guys. So this is a method that many people are not using to promote these cart products, and you can go and take advantage of this exact method I'm going to be showing you guys today and can make a lot of money guys. So type example cart, we're going to sort by gravity. So you want to see the top selling products about cards, so you can see this one. So you can see these are the cart products. So you can see this one, card spraying normal. You can see they're going to pay you $20 per sale, and you can see the gravity as is at 20. You can see this one as well. This is a card product. You can see the gravity is at 13, which means that these products are selling very well guys. I'm going to show you guys how you can go and promote these products very easy guys. So let me just start by relevance. You're going to see all the top card products right here guys. So you can see, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how you can go and promote this very easily and start making a lot of money guys. So we're going to choose one particular product from here. So we're going to choose one. So for this particular example, I'm going to choose this one. So it's going to help people to stop their cart from spraying. Let's go to the sales letter of the product and let's see what it's all about. So you can see the sales letter of the product. So I've actually gone through this video myself. So this is a very good sales video and it has testimonials and all that. So if you watch the video and continue watching the video, you're going to see testimonials of people that have used this particular product and they have gotten a result using this particular product guys. So this is a product that is going to help people to stop their cats from spraying guys. So if you watch this one, for example, these are testimonials.
Responded to your suggestions. It's almost as if I actually speak.
So if you watch the complete video, you're going to see that there are testimonials of people that have actually used this product and they have gotten results from this product. So this is a legit product, and if you promote this product, it means that you're going to start getting some sales and you're not going to be getting a lot of refunds because other people have used this particular product and they have gotten results guys. So what you're going to do is guys, you're going to go to the affiliate resources page and you're going to find a lot of resources that you can go and use and promote this particular product. So go to the resources area, you're going to see a lot of resources. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to product images. So click on this. It's going to give us a lot of resources that you can go and promote this particular product very easily. So what we're going to do next, the first step is that we're going to go and download some of these images. So we're going to save this particular image, for example. So let's open this image. We're just going to download this image. I'm going to show you guys how you can go and use this and promote this product very easily and start making some sales guys. So we're going to close this. So the method we're going to go and use and promote this product, guys, is using Instagram, guys. I'm going to show you guys how I can go and do this step by step. So the first step you're going to do is that you're going to go to canva.com and you're going to make a simple creative. So once you go to canva.com, you're going to do sign up for canva.com. It's completely free. You're going to do is click on create design. You're going to choose Instagram post. And it's going to be able to create an Instagram post for completely free. So what I'm going to do next from here is that you're going to go to upload. You're going to upload that image. So I already uploaded the image, so I'm going to just choose the image, and that's all, guys. So that's the image, and the image already done. All you're going to do is you're going to add some text in the description, and you're going to add a simple call to action. So what I'm going to do here, for example, is that we're going to go to click on text. We're going to add some simple text right here. So we're going to choose this. I'm going to add some text, like click the link in the bio to learn more. So that's all we're going to do, guys, and we're going to promote this on Instagram. I'm going to show you guys how I can go and use this Instagram and you can make a lot of money, guys, because this is a method that other people are not using. Many people that have these ads channels on Instagram, they're not making any money because they don't know how to monetize it. I'm going to show you guys step by step how you can go and get this for very cheap and you can make a lot of sales, guys. So this is all you're going to do. So you can change the color of this. So for this example, I'm just going to change this. And you can leave it like this, guys, and that is all. Your creative is already done. All you're going to do is click on download and it's going to be downloaded, and you can go and use it on Instagram, guys. So what you can do, guys, is that you can go to Instagram and you can go and create your own card page, or you can go and pay Instagram influencers. So let me show you guys how you can go and do this step by step. So what I'm going to do is that we're going to go to Instagram. So let me go to a new tab and we're going to go to Instagram, guys. So to go to Instagram, guys, if you type, for example, card videos, you're going to find all this type of accounts that can go and do your promotion on them, guys. So what I'm going to do is that if you type, for example, card videos, you're going to find a lot of this. So let me type, for example, card videos. So let me just show you guys. We type, for example, card videos, because they get a lot of views on Instagram. So you can see this particular account, and if you click on the different hashtags, you're going to find a lot more different accounts, guys. So you can see, guys, there are different card videos, and you can see they get a lot of views. So these are people that are interested in their cards, and many people have this problem of card spraying. So what you're going to do is you're going to be providing them a solution that can help them to stop their cards from spraying. So if you click on this one, for example, you can go to the account. You're going to discover that many of these people, they are not monetizing any of these accounts, guys. So most of them, they're just posting this for fun on Instagram, and they're not making any money from this card video. So you can see they're getting a lot of views. 34,000 views, 10,000 views, 125,000 views, and they don't have any link in the bio. So if you go to this one, for example, you're going to see they have up to 21,000 followers, and you can see their videos are getting a lot of views. So this one is not getting a lot of views like the other pages. So let me show you guys other examples. So there are other accounts that you can go and use right now. So you can see they're getting a lot of views on their videos, guys. So they're just posting card videos on Instagram. So you can go and tap. So you can see, for example, this one has up to 500,000 views on this particular video, guys. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go and contact these Instagram influencers, and you're going to ask them for a promotion on their page, guys. So you can see many of these pages that are not monetizing this. All you can do is that you can go and pay them very small fee, guys. You can pay them, for example, $10 to $15, and you can promote your product here. That's going to help card owners to stop their cards from spraying, guys. So you can see many of them are not monetizing this, and they're getting a lot of traffic on these pages, and there are a lot of these pages, guys. So if you go to Instagram and search, for example, all these type of accounts, and you click on this icon, you're going to find a lot of different accounts, guys. So you can click on this one, for example. You can see it's 1,000 followers. You can see they're posting card images. So you're going to look for the ones that has a lot of engagement, guys. So let me click on this one, for example. And you can see, guys, so these are the type of pages that you can go and use, guys. So these are images, and they're getting a lot of views. So you can see this one, for example, has up to 10,000 likes on this particular page. So what you can do is that you can go and contact them, and you can propose, you can do a simple promotion on that page, for example, $10 to $15, and you can promote your card products, and you're going to send them your creative, and you can make a lot of sales promoting this particular product, guys. And what you can also do, guys, I can go and download some of these videos and can post it back on your page, and you can get a lot of traffic, and you can be promoting your own affiliate products, guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to take action on this particular method, and you can make a lot of money, guys. So you can see this particular page has up to 105,000 followers. So these are people that love their cards, and you can go and promote these products that is going to help them to stop their cards from spraying, and many of them are going to buy the product, guys, because these products are selling very well on Clickbank, guys. So you can see this particular page has a lot of engagement, guys. So you can see 11,000 views, 11,000 views, 14,000 views on this one. You can see 100,000 views on this particular video, and you can go and promote your affiliate products on this page, guys. So you can see they're not promoting any affiliate products right here, and you can go and take advantage of this and start promoting your products and start making a lot of money using this exact method, guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and take advantage of this method, because many people are not using this method and many people are not promoting these card products. So go and take advantage of this. I can go and promote your products in many different card accounts on Instagram. I can get a lot of traffic for very cheap. I can make a lot of money from selling those products, guys. So that's a method you can go and use right today. Take action on this method and you can start getting some results very fast, guys. So that's a simple method I want to share you guys that can use right today and start getting some results and start making some sales on Clickbank. And all you're going to do is take action on the method, guys. So if you found value in this video, guys, be sure to leave a like on the video and also subscribe to the channel to get notified time that I post new videos on how to make money online and Clickbank earning methods, guys. And you want to learn my step-by-step method I'm using to make sales every day like this, be sure to click the first link in the description. I can get my step-by-step training, guys. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.